The first wave will be expensive, but it's the start of a shift that will trickle down to mainstream models. As production scales up and technology matures, we can expect to see more affordable solid-state battery options in everyday cars. Lighter, smaller batteries mean more cabin space and better performance. This translates to a more comfortable ride and improved handling, making electric vehicles even more appealing to a broader audience. Brands like Toyota and Nissan are leading the charge, and the industry is racing to scale up. These companies are investing heavily in solid-state technology, aiming to be the first to bring these revolutionary batteries to the mass market. 20,000 stats, 2026 marks the beginning of the end for traditional lithium-ion dominance. As solid-state batteries become more prevalent, we'll see a gradual phase-out of older technologies, paving the way for a new era in electric mobility. Watch for the first production solid-state EVs. They'll redefine what electric cars can do. From longer ranges to faster charging times and enhanced safety, these vehicles will set new standards and inspire the next generation of electric vehicle innovation.